St Andrews has had a long history with the community. It has been here since the original subdivision, and as a result, over the years, most people, certainly in the early days, were baptised, married and buried here in St Andrews itself.
We have schools, funerals, weddings, baptisms, confirmation, all those services. And also we offer concerts very regularly.
Well, St Andrews has been a part of the Brighton community for about 170 years. It provides spiritual nourishment to the people of Brighton, but also plays a very important musical role. To bring the organ back to full capacity, we need a complete restoration. And at the heart of that complete restoration is replacing the solid state technology, which was in common use in the 1960s but is now literally worn out. We need to replace that with digital technology, and we also need to revoice the organ so it speaks into the space as it did in the 1960s.
We need to raise $347,000, which by many standards isn't a lot of money, but for us is a significant amount to find.
We need a functioning instrument to support the liturgy, to support the music program and to inspire congregation and visitors alike when they hear the organ played as it should be played.
We're hoping that you will be able to donate generously to our organ appeal so that we can get the organ back to its former glory, but with the digital touch that we need for the 21st century.
真诚的希望大家能够慷慨地为管风琴的这个修复来捐款。
Please donate generously to the Organ Restoration Fund, and any amount will be gratefully received. Thank you.